Want to ride winning trades to the max without constantly watching the screen? Let's dive into setting up a trailing take profit on Bybit, your secret weapon for automated profit locking. First, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the trading interface for the contract you're trading, for example, BTC USDT. Next, locate the order panel. Ensure you're on the conditional order type. This is where the magic happens. Now, in the trigger price section, determine the price at which you want your trailing take profit to activate. Input your desired trigger price. Now select your take profit stop loss. Check the box next to trailing take profit. Now you are given the option to specify the activation price and also the callback rate. The callback rate, expressed as a percentage, determines how far the price can retrace from its highest point before your take profit triggers. Input your desired callback rate. For example, if the price reaches $31,000 and the callback rate is 1%. The take profit will trigger if the price falls 1% to $30,690. Enter the quantity of the contract you want to apply the trailing take profit to double-check all your parameters, ensuring the trigger price and callback rate are set according to your strategy. Then click the Confirm button to place your order. You'll find your active trailing take profit order in the Open Orders section. Bybit will automatically adjust your take profit as the price moves in your favor, securing your profits every step of the way.